Sup guys, welcome to another episode. Hope you're all well, having a great day. So today I have some cravings. I have cravings for burgers. That's right, burgers. And these aren't going to be any ordinary burgers, alright? So being half Greek, half Filipino, I want to spice things up. So I want to make a Greek burger. Seriously, Greek burger. It's going to be so good. Oh my goodness. So yeah, oppa! Let's get this started. Let's get cooking and put this awesome Greek burger together. Alright, let's go. Sup guys, I'm all done. I'm so hungry. Oh my god, these burgers look so good. They smell amazing. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm going to dig in. But first, I want to cut it. Alright, so I'm going to cut it in half. And show you what's inside. Show you what's inside. Oh. Alright, move these aside. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You see that? All that deliciousness in there. Beautiful herbs. Oh, that is beautiful. Now, I'm going to try it. Oh my god. That is one good burger. OMG. Wow. The combination of those herbs, the mint, cumin, tzatziki, homemade tzatziki, it tastes way better. Don't buy from the shops, make it, alright? It's also healthy for you as well. It is so good, the combination, authentic Greek style burgers. It is so awesome, it's delicious. You can share it with everyone, it's so damn good. Oh my god. Wow. I'm gonna dig in. It's just so good. Wow. I would have to say this is like the best burger I've ever made. I'm not kidding you, this is like the best burger. Wow. Seriously. Make this anytime you want, guys. You're gonna love this. It's the best burger ever. Alright? Alright, anyway guys, I'm gonna dig in. I'm hungry and I just want to devour all this. It's so good. Alright, thank you so much for watching guys. Until next time, have a good day, alright?